Hello friends, and welcome to AK Agarwal Aptitude Series. Friends, in this session we are going to learn a technique for solving a problem on data interpretation bar chart. Here the given bar chart is here. Study the graph given below to answer the question. Percentage distribution of total expenditure of a company: transport, infrastructure, transport, advertisement, salary, R&D, welfare. On infrastructure, company's expenditure is 25%. On transport it is 10%, on advertisement it is 12%, on salary it is 30%, on R&D it is 8%, and on welfare it is 15%. Based on this graph we have to answer certain questions. So here the given first question is, if the expenditure on advertisement is rupees 2.4 crores, then the difference between the expenditure on welfare and R&D is 0.94 crore, 1.2 crore, 1.32 crore or 1.4 crore. Just to answer this question, let us assume total expenditure of the company is rupees X. Now total is X. On advertisement it is 2.4 crores, but on advertisement it is 12% of the total. So 12% of X is equal to, that will be given by 12 into X divided by 100, but it is equal to 2.4 crore it is given. So using this information we can determine the value of X. X is equal to 2.4 into 100 divided by 12 is equal to 20 crore. So total investment by the company is rupees 20 crores. Now he is asking difference between the expenditure on welfare and R&D. So on welfare total investment is 15% of total investment. Total investment is 20 crore. On welfare 15% is being invested. So expenditure on welfare is equal to 15 into 20 divided by 100. 15% of 20 crores. 15 into 20 divided by 100 is equal to 3 crore. So investment on welfare is 3 crores of rupees, and investment on R&D is 8%. So expenditure on R&D is given by 8 into 20 divided by 100 is equal to 1.6 crores of rupees. Now difference of welfare and R&D expenditure is equal to 3 minus 1.6. 3 minus 1.6 is equal to 1.4 crore. So answer is D, 1.4 crores. Now using the same graph, another question may be, what is the ratio of the total expenditure on infrastructure and transport to the total expenditure on salary and welfare? This may be the another question. So just to answer this question, let us determine the expenditure on infrastructure and transport and salary and welfare. So let us assume total investment by the company is rupees X. Investment on infrastructure and transport is equal to, because on infrastructure it is 25%, on transport it is 10%. 25 plus 10 is equal to 35% of X. Now investment on salary and welfare, on salary it is 30% and on welfare it is 15%. Total is 45% of X. Now their ratio, 35% of X divided by 45% of X is equal to 35 upon 45 is equal to 7 by 9. So answer is B, 7 by 9. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video. You can also follow me on Facebook.